Hey guys, kamusta? My name is Pat and welcome to Pastel Scales. Please forgive the quality of my voice because I just woke up and I'm just very excited to share with you because my package finally arrived from Bellabox, Australia. It's the A Beauty limited edition box. Now this box has been compiled as an ultimate kit for an effortless summer vacay glow, and I know no one is really going out traveling or having their vacay anyway, but who says you can't have your glow even if you're at home, right? Anyway, I received an email that gave me a 50 off coupon, and I know it's also published in the website that they have a 50 off coupon. The original price for the A Bella Beauty Box is $79.95, so about 80 Australian dollars, and with the code you get 50% off. So I was interested to get it because of the items included and of course the value that you're getting for the box, but $80 for a box is just too expensive for me, even though I know that the box inside is worth a lot more than that, and of course you're getting more value, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of the items included inside the box, so I didn't really purchase it until I got an email saying that I get a 50 off coupon. And of course, who doesn't love sales, who doesn't love coupons, and I got my box eventually. And so this is how your A Bella Beauty Box arrives. Oops, that's my address. Let's open it up. So there you go, that's how I open my parcel, and I can still reuse this. Perfect. And let me just check if there's anything else in there. Maybe they include a freebie. And oh, I'm loving the design of this box. It's so pretty and it matches my ears. Look at that. So this is the Bellabox limited edition. It's 8 handpicked treasures from down under. So from Australia, of course. All items are from Australia. So this one retails at $79.95, and the value that you get for 8 items in the box is about $180. So with the coupon, it's just $39.95. And of course, you get free shipping included with that. So it's not a steal already, paying $40 for a value of $180. That was the ultimate deciding factor. If it wasn't for the discount, I wouldn't purchase this one. So let's open it up. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so it's of course your black Bellabox with a sticker, which totally, again, I reuse this for a lot of the shipping that we need to send out. Ooh, that's inside. We also reuse the tissue. So this is what's inside. I got a card and it reads, "No one does natural beauty quite like Australians. After all, we have coral reefs in our backyard, grew up with sand in our hair and water at our feet." That sounds like me. We thought we'd share the love. Here are our favorite treasures straight from the land down under. I appreciate that they have like a list of items that is included here. That makes it really easy for me to vlog about this. So inside the box, this is how you see it. It's full of goodies. You could barely close the box. So I'm gonna show you one by one what's inside. Okay, from the top, ooh, it's the La Bang Body Hydrate Me Hair Mask in coconut. So it's meant to transform tresses in just 20 minutes. This mask is specifically formulated to protect your hair from the heat of constant blow drying every day in winter, right? Chemicals and to tame flyaways. Blended with coconut, macadamia, Moroccan argan, and jojoba oil, it is the perfect recipe for repairing, hydrating your hair. So it says on the packaging it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, made with natural ingredients, free of paraben and sulfate. I don't typically splurge on hair products, but I'm happy to receive hair products in my Bellabox. Otherwise, I would just really grab anything from the store or from the chemist. And the next we have the MCO Beauty Double-Ended Fiber Lash Mascara. I've been in Australia for more than 7 months now, and I didn't bring with me my mascara. This is gonna be useful. I'm happy I got a mascara, and I hope I don't get any mascaras in the future from any box because I don't want multiple mascaras. I'm not really a makeup person. I'm more of a skincare girl. And this is a 2-in-1 Extreme Lash Extension Mascara. Ooh, Dr. Robux. It's Dr. Robux Iceberg Hydrating Mask full size. And it says, just as iconic as the Bondi Iceberg's pool, this ultra hydrating mask from Dr. Robux is perfect for quenching thirsty skin infused with cucumber, red algae, and hyaluronic acid. It will boost moisture and replenish the skin. Think of it as a tall drink of water for your face. Yes, hyaluronic. Love it! Clean skincare made in Australia, created by our dad. Hello daddy, Dr. Robux, for us, and now made for natural beauties like you. Yes! Let's see if there's anything about the packaging. So pretty. I want to open it right away. Aha! Makeup. Stay sweet, parakeet, your beauty inside and out. So far we've received 3 full-size items. And next is... Ooh, this is up next. It's the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Full size once again. Say hello to the 3-in-1 Miracle Worker Sand and Sky's Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment with the brand's signature Australian Pink Clay. This 5-minute treatment resurfaces the skin while absorbing excess oil for super smooth, even tone, and mattified complexion. So this is gonna be my second brand of Australian Pink Clay, and they do also have a mask. I am excited to use this. Cruelty-free! Yay! Cruelty-free, no sulfates, parabens, synthetic fragrances, synthetic colors, DEA, DEA glycols, silicones, and PEGs. So pink. So there you have it, full-sized Australian Pink Clay Exfoliating Treatment. Let's put that in the box. Oh, wait. I thought it's a sample, but apparently it's an instruction. So up next is the Grown Alchemist. It's the Tinted Age Repair Lip Treatment, full size. So achieve fuller, smoother looking lips the natural way. This lip treatment showcases a neutral tint complementing all skin tones. Tripeptide stimulates skin's natural collagen, increasing lip volume. Extracts from violet leaf provide healing properties, while an African butter tree extract repairs dry and chapped lips. Australian certified toxic. And let's see anything else. If they have any more certification there, it says certified organic, PEFC certified, card sustainable, toxic free certified. Ooh, so far I'm loving the selection of the A Beauty box. Let's open this one. Oh, so tiny. Such a big box and so tiny. But this is a tinted repair lip treatment. I wonder if you can use this at night. Okay, doesn't smell like anything. Good. Another full-size item is from Kiko. It's the Coconut Tooth Floss. Remove gunk, funk, and junk from between teeth with Kiko's coconut oil-based wax tooth floss. The coconut flavor is... I can already smell it. The coconut flavor is a tropical holiday for your mouth, but even better, their formula is certified vegan and 100% natural. Yeah! And then I think we're down to the sample. I've got 6 full-sized items and 2 samples. And the sample, Betty Face Cocoa Betty Coconut Oil Wash. It's a sample size and it includes the use is for removing makeup, nourishing thirsty skin, clear your blemished skin, and soothe sensitive skin. We all know coconut oil does wonders for the body. So this is vegan and cruelty-free and 100% coconut oil. So next we have Sand and Sky, of course, Australian Pink Clay. This is it's a 4-in-1 face mask that refines pores and brightens the complexion, drawing impurities and pollutants from. You're 10 minutes away from that. Also, pore face mask to detoxify and brighten. I'm excited to use this one as well because I have a different brand of Australian pink clay and I'm interested which one works. So that's it. We've reached the end of my unboxing A Beauty. So you have 6 full-size items and sample sizes, and I'm going to post a review about these items soon. So that aside, we're using the box, we're using the tissue paper and the parcel. And that's it for today's unboxing of the Bellabox limited edition A Beauty box. If you want to grab yourself the same box, go to Bellabox website and use the promo code ABeauty50. I just checked today, as of recording, it's still available and you can still use the promo code. So go get yourself the 50 off from this box. Now, comes with free shipping, and I hope you enjoy the items. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know which of the items you're excited to see me do a review of. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos like this one. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you stay safe. As always, sending out love to everyone. Bye!